Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to add location to your Instagram story. So open your Instagram and just do like you want to make a story. For example, just click on your profile picture at home. Select your image or video, or you can take by camera, for example. So to add the location, you are just going to click or select this icon, and select location. Just search for the location, for example. Alright, you can tap to change the type or the type of the location, right? And you can resize. That's it. So you are just going to click in your stories or to close friend. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.